Hey guys, Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're troubleshooting a rooftop unit, or also known as a package unit, for a commercial building. And we find that they have heater issues, and we're finding that the heaters are bad. They're making a crackling sound. Also, the unit's about 15 years old, so we're expecting everything right now. I'll show you here. This is where the heaters are right here. One set here, one set there. That's my blower motor. That's the squirrel cage and the fan. That's the belt. That's the complete package unit. I got one motor in here, and I got the compressor down in there. But we're troubleshooting, and we found that several of the heaters were bad. Also, that motor, that blower fan motor, is also making a noise. Also, we worked on it here a few times, so customer said he wanted to replace, so we're going to replace the brand new this unit here for a brand new one. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration, plumbing needs. We're 24/7 and 24/7 Austin and surrounding cities. 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, thanks guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.